Hello everyone. I'm going to show how to make 8D song. At first open FL Studio. Then add song which you want to make 8D. Just drag the song on track. At first play this song.
Some keep it diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me.
Click on channel track. Click on right mouse. Click on type value 5. Click on mixer. Click on slot 1. Click on more plugins. Click on Sennheiser Ambiorbit. Play this song.
Some keep it diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me.
Go to current project effects Ambiorbit. Azimuth. Right-click on mouse and click on Create Automation Clip. Elevation. Right-click on mouse and click on Create Automation Clip. No follow me cursor movement. Play this song.
Some keep it diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me. Some keep it diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me. There's never a guarantee that loving is so.
For copy, just touch this, then left click on mouse on space. Similarly copy this. Follow me cursor movement. Play this song.
Some keep it diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me. There's never a guarantee that loving is so easy. Some may define it as sugar and problems, but hard as it's flying.
No follow me cursor movement. Similarly copy this. Play this song.
Some keep it diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me. There's never a guarantee that loving is so easy.
Click on mixer.
And play.
Some keep it diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me. There's never a guarantee that loving is so easy. Some may define it as sugar and problems, but hard as it's flying.
Here you can change some settings of 8D. I recommend it to off reflections. Enjoy.
Some keep it diary. Seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire. Something to cover me. There's never a guarantee that loving is so easy. Some may define it as sugar and promise, but hard as it's flying.
Please click bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.